Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about carbanion, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. So let us start with carbanion. What is carbanion? A carbanion is an anion in which carbon has an unshared pair of electrons and bears a negative charge, usually with 3 substituents, for a total of 8 valence electrons. 8 valence electrons, remember. Formally, a carbanion is the conjugate base of a carbon acid. Look at here, RCH. These hydrogens leave without electrons and forming H plus. And now here the formations of carbanion. How you know this is carbanion? Carbon contains negative charge. Stable carbanions do however exist, although in most cases they are reactive. Look at this, carbanion is more stable. Now the generations and fate of reactions carbanions. A group attached to a carbon leaves without its lone pair. A negative ion adds to a carbon-carbon double or triple bond. Here RH dissociates this bond and forming R minus. Here RC double bond OH removes CO2 or forming R minus. Here Y minus attack on carbon and shifting a double bond in the form of carbanion. Now, strongly reduced metals like sodium or lithium or magnesium can convert alkyl halide to alkyl sodium or alkyl lithium or get nitric acids. Here RCl plus lithium, it give R lithium and lithium chloride. RCl plus magnesium 2 plus give RMgCl. This is simply nitric acid. The reactions of carbanions. Carbanions often act as nucleophiles to react with electrophiles species. You can see here R minus attack on carbon, and meanwhile the dissociation of carbon Cl bond. Here RCH2, RCOCH2 minus attack on bromine, and you can see bromide ion formations. In rare cases, the carbanions may undergo cationic tropic 1 to shift to give rearranged product. For example, in this molecule here nitrogen is positive and CH2 negative. pH plus attack on this molecule of forming CH2pH. The carbanions may be oxidized to free radicals, for example CH2 double bond, and here CH2 minus react with oxygen giving the free radical CH2 free radical. Stability and structure. The stability of carbon ion is directly related to the strength of the conjugate acid. The weaker is the acid, the greater is the base strength, and the lower is the stability of carbon ion. Stabilization by sulfur or phosphorus or SO2 C minus, here you can see it is in the resonance. Another molecules also you can see CH minus under resonance. Field effect. Halides are more stable than corresponding simple carbon ions. Carbon ions are stabilized by a field effect. If there is any heteroatoms, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, connected to the carbanionic carbon, provided that the heteroatoms bear a positive charge in at least one important canonical form. Now, relatively stable carbon ions with certain structural features. Conjugations of unshared pair of electrons with the unsaturated bond. You can see here CH2 negative, here CH2 negative. Carbon ion increase in stability with an increase in the amount of S character at the carbonic carbon. You see R double bond C minus, triple bond C minus, then double bond CH minus, R minus, RCH2 minus. Factor determining the stability and reactivity of a carbon ion. The inductive effect. Electronegative atom adjacent to the charge will stabilize the charge. Hybridizations of the charge bearing atom. The greater the sp3 character of the charge bearing atom, the more stable the anion. The extent of conjugations of anion. Resonance effect can stabilize the anion. You know that. This is especially true when the anion is stabilized as a result of aromaticity. How to detections of carbon ion. Carbon ion are types of CH3 minus where the negative charge is not delocalized due to conjugations, can be distinguished from their proton NMR spectra. Formation of carbon ion can be detected by the UV and visible spectra of the different from the starting compounds. Trapping of carbon ions with an electrophile may also show their formation of reaction. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.